Welcome to ITCS 3090. This video is about our first project. It should be a quick demo about how to use HPC to run Hadoop applications. HPC is a supercomputer provided by our university. So let's begin. First, if you are on campus, you have to use VPN provided by our campus to access to our HPC. I will show you how to connect the VPN with the app named Cisco AnyConnect Secure. Here you have download this app and install on your own PC, then type in address vpn.uncc.edu here and then click connect. Then in the pop up, we have to type in our username and password. This part is about the dual verification. Just click approve on your mobile phone, and then you will have a notification about successfully connecting. Okay, make sure you have used a VPN rightly if you are out of campus. Then we can use the tutorial to finish the project. In our first project package, like this, we have 4 files inside. In this demo, we will cover 3 of them. Those 3. So first, let's go over this document. So this document is the tutorial about how to use HPC to run your Hadoop applications. I only cover section A here. And for this part, the second part is your task. It's your own job to finish after class. So let's begin. To finish this project, I highly recommend that you guys use Ubuntu or Mac, because if you are a Windows user, you may need another application to run a terminal. This one. So if you are a Windows user, go over this part first. I won't cover this part in this demo. So let's begin. Let's go over step 1. To run the command here, we have to open a terminal. This is the terminal for macOS, right? So let's copy this command line and paste here. Remember to replace the username with your own username, and we press enter. Here, type in our password. If it's normal that nothing will show up here, but you have to make sure your passwords are right. And then click enter button. Here, it needs our dual verification. I select number 1 and get approved on my cell phone. Then I'm in. Similarly, if you can see the message like this, it means you have been successfully connected to the HPC. All right, let's go over step 2. Step 2 is about how to upload your local file onto the HPC. Here we need to upload 2 files in our pack. This file and this file. Let's start. So to upload any files, you have to use another terminal. Let's build a new one, right? And shell window. Okay, we got a new terminal. And let's copy the command line here. Paste. Similarly, remember to replace the username here. with your own username, your password, do your verification. Wait for a second. Okay, I got it. Oh, you see, there's a error here. Why? Because for this one, for this terminal, I'm not in the right directory which stores the file. Okay, you may have the same issue. So first you have to right click file and get more info. Here is the location of the file. So let's copy this, and first let's use cd command to open your files directory. You see, and then we can rerun this command. Password, verification. Okay, if you can see the message like this, it means your file has been successfully uploaded. Similarly, let's upload another file. It's wiki something. When you type in wiki, just press the tab button, then the rename part will be show up successfully automatically, and then press enter. Similarly, your password, verification. There you go. Yes, all the file has been successfully uploaded. Let's double check here. In the first terminal, we have open a sealed ls command. You see, the two files has been successfully uploaded. So if you can go to this step, it means everything went well. So let's go to step 3. Step 3 is about how to upload your file in the HPC to the HDFS. Okay. First, we have to build a directory in the HDFS. Use this command line. Paste. So replace this part with your own user. So we with this command line, we will build a new directory named input to store this part, this file. Then press enter. Nothing will show up if your command are running successfully. Let's double check if you have been successfully built this. Use this command. Replace this part with your own username. You see nothing inside because we have not uploaded anything. So next we use this command to upload the file into HDFS. Similarly, replace this part with your account. Okay, no errors, but no more any messages. So let's run this command again to make sure our file has been successfully uploaded onto the HDFS. You see, it was there. Got it? Okay. If you can go to this step, let's move to step 4. Step 4 is about compile the word counter class. First, let's make a directory named build. Actually, the build is the folder's name. We use the command make dirt build and use ls so you can see new folder is here, but it's empty. Next, we use this command to compile the Java file, the word count Java file, and make double check here. There's a space, so just delete this space. Make sure the two words are rightly connected by the dash sign, and then we enter. You will see 4 warnings show up, but it's fine. Just leave them there. And we use this command to build the Java file. Be careful. We need a dash. We need a space between the period sign and the dash sign. Enter. So you will have a message like this. And let's go to the next part. This line is running your Java file with the input. It's running a hardware application. Paste here. So we have to replace those parts with our own account name. Once everything is okay, just press enter button. So you will see some messages show up. Just wait for a second. You see the map procedure and reduce progress. As we have to wait until map is 100% and reduced is 100%. It will take you some seconds to be finished. You see, once you have some message like this, it means your application has been successfully finished. So let's try to check what's inside output. Use this line. Oh, sorry. I have to replace this part with my own name. See, it's a lot, right? So if you want to run the sample again, you first need to remove the output directory. Use a following command. If you don't delete, the command line will not run successfully. Let me show you. You see, you will have an error. But if we use this command line before we run our applications, I mean the same applications, okay, see, just wait for a second. For a couple of seconds. Okay, there we go. So everything is done. Let's go to step 5. Step 5 is about how to draw your output from HDFS onto the directory of your cluster. So we have to make a directory named result. You see, it's there. And we use this command with a warning here, but it's okay. Just leave them there. Wait for a second. the output is so huge, so it will take you some time to copy your result from ITCS onto the HPC. There you go. Here is all the results were stored into the result folder. So the next part is use this SBC command to copy the contents of result. The result folder is in HPC, so you have to copy all the content onto your own PC. All right, that's what you should submit. If you want to exit, I will prefer skip this part because there will cost a lot of time to copy those files. Let me see see it's very large here, so I want to save some time, but I can show you how to use the command line here. So remember, please replace this part with your own account and this part. So for the local directory means your own PC's directory. For me, I prefer download. User is okay. So just find any locations you want. So like me, I prefer the download. So I just copy those locations. Name. And then you can press the enter to get the file onto your own PC. So that's all for the part for the first part of project 1. So for you have to finish part B, second part. Just remember the instruction here and finish your own code. I can give you some basic hint here. So you have to change some part of this code. Some part of this code to live up to the requirements of this paragraph. Okay, so if you want to finish this part, you have to make sure you understand the first part. I mean, how to run the demo or the example are provided in the project 1 package, this package. All right, so hope you guys can have fun with our first project. Have you have any questions? Let me know. You can send me an email. But if you have any issues about using HPC or compile your own code, remember to attach a screen code or your error information, so that I can know what's wrong with your code or what's wrong with your project. All right. So have fun.